Hello everyone! I hope you're having an amazing start to 2025. On Christmas, me and my sister contributed to our potluck by making delicious mozzarella cheese balls in the shape of a Christmas tree. We knew this party trick worked because it was devoured in a matter of minutes. Mind you, this recipe is not original and is found on Instagram Reels, but I figured I'd make a full-length video and perfectly paced, since people would struggle catching up with the instructions on the short video.
Here we go.
But, if you're here wanting to learn how to do this simple hack for your party, welcome, and let's begin. Well, I'm glad to have you here back in the kitchen. I haven't made a video here in a while, so let's just hop in. So this recipe calls for pastry dough, but we're using immaculate organic crescent rolls. We've got 7 sticks of organic Valley string cheese. We've got 6 tablespoons of Kerrygold grass-fed unsalted butter. We've got 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 4 cloves of garlic, and make sure to have parchment paper on a baking sheet on standby. Okay, so for the first step, we're gonna unroll the crescent rolls and we're gonna divide it. And the next step is to divide your cheese sticks into 6 separate pieces. Next is to roll the dough around the cheese into a ball. Just like that. Do another one. And there you have it. Let's go supersonic. Last time around, during the Christmas party, we made a Christmas tree. You can make any shape you want. Can you guess what this is themed around? Alrighty, now that we got all these rolled up, we're gonna pop these in the oven at 400 degrees and cook it for 13 minutes. While this cooks, let's go prep the garlic butter. Alright, so let's start the sauce. We're going to put the 6 tablespoons of butter in there. We're going to melt it. And then we're going to put this in here. As soon as it's melted, we're going to pour it on this. Now, of course, this exploded balls are part of the process, but we're just going to start putting our sauce on here. Instead of also spooning it, you can brush it on. And since we used unsalted butter, we're going to sprinkle some salt for the taste. And there you have it, these fabulous mozzarella balls for your next party. You could also get marinara dipping sauce, because this plus that is an amazing taste. See you next time. Let's give it a try. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do with our crescent rolls is we're gonna unroll it up and divide it into. And there you have it. These fabulous marinara balls for marinara balls. We're gonna put the 6 tablespoons of butter in there. We're gonna melt it. And then we're gonna put this in here. The garlic and the parsley.